My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the malicious pop-up windows that come from the website darkreader.com. These pop-ups by darkreader.com are deceptive and totally faulty. They claim to be the message from Chrome browser, but this is not true. All these pop-ups are totally faulty and they are not related to the Google Chrome browser, so do not trust them. Do not interact with these multiple and deceptive pop-ups by darkreader.com. Simply disregard this page. The mission of these pop-ups is to deceive people and to make them actually download and install some unwanted browser extensions. If any unwanted extensions were installed, access the menu of your Chrome, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and then if you find any third-party extensions here, get rid of them. I also strongly advise that you research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of all these other traces of adware or malware on your system. It will help you to stop these multiple annoying ads from attacking your screen and will make your computer great again. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.